weavers.
Tale weavers from Antaranga. Today I have a tribal folk tale from the northeast region of India. Sri Essenbor Kotoki travelled extensively in these regions, and he collected these from all the villagers there. He also got few from some other sources. He then compiled them in a book called The Tribal Folk Tales of Assam. Now today the story I have for you is called The Monkey and the Deer. Once a deer was the proud owner of a long tail. Yes, a long tail. The other animals of the forest were very envious of him. They were very jealous. Now one day, the deer walked around the forest looking for some succulent plant. Now as he walked around, he suddenly met a monkey. Now this monkey was surprised to see an animal with such a long tail. He looked at the tail and he wanted it desperately. He thought that I must somehow get this tail, by hook or by crook. I have to think up of a plan. So what do you think he did? He went up to the deer and made friends with him. He started talking to him, telling him stories, and slowly started flattering and talking about his tail. Oh, friend, what a beautiful caudal appendage you have. The deer was puzzled. Caudal appendage? What does he mean? Friend, what do you mean by caudal appendage? I did not understand. Oh, why? You've got such a splendid, wonderful tail, not like the ordinary tails of the other animals. You've got a special one. That's why I have given you a special term for it. Oh, you mean my tail? You really like it? Yes, I really like it. You know, I was just wondering if you could lend it to me for a while. I would like to try it on and see how it looks on me. Oh, the deer was already taken up by the flattery of the monkey, so he thought it wouldn't be a bad idea just to let him try it out for a while. So he replied, "Oh yes, certainly, my friend. You are most welcome to have it. Here, take it." Oh, was that a good decision of the deer? No, not at all. The monkey took the tail and away he disappeared in a wink. Oh, the deer was shocked. Why did the monkey disappear? Then he thought, oh, maybe he's gone to show the tail to his family members. I'm sure he'll be back. But no, the monkey was nowhere to be seen. He didn't come back at all. Oh, the deer got worried. Oh, now he's without a tail. So he started calling out to the monkey. But the monkey never listened to him, nor did he ever come back. So, what happened to the deer? He sat and he sobbed and he cried and he sobbed and he cried. And then God, seeing him in this condition, thought of fixing a tail for him. So, a portion of his liver was taken out and made into a tail. So for that reason, you see the deer has a very small liver for an animal of its size and a very short tail. Now that's not all. The flesh of the tail and the liver, they taste the same. And also, they look the same. And what happened to the monkey, do you think? There it is. You see it every day, all around you. Yes, the monkey with the long tail. And what does it do with it? It swings from tree to tree, and he enjoys himself in the forest. So that was the story of the monkey and the deer. Now this was a Dimasa folk tale I told you today. Enjoy it with your mummy and papa, and next day I'll come back with another tale. I'm sure you will enjoy it as much as you enjoyed the one today. Bye. See you.
To subscribe, tap on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon.
নমস্কাৰ মই হলো তৰা মই আপোনালোক সকলোকে অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছো ককা আইতা বৰ্তা বৰমা জেঠাই জেঠু মহা মাহী মামা মামী পেহা পেহী আৰু আংকল আন্টি আৰু মোৰ বন্ধুসকল আমাৰ সাধুঘৰ নামৰ এই ইউটিউব চেনেলটি আপোনালোকে যেন অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰে আমি সদায় ধুনীয়া ধুনীয়া নতুন নতুন সাধু লৈ আহিম ধন্যবাদ
কি যে মজা